Howdy folks, Dan here. I want to show you something. Stop using plastic bags for your gas can. Where these yellow center pieces go, I have no idea, but we lose them all the time. I see people going with plastic bags on them. But here's a really neat, quick idea. You make as many as you want, pretty much next to nothing at home with a pair of scissors, a marker, and basically a water jug or milk jug or any piece of plastic that you find lying around. Very simple. You take the inside part, you measure out your circle on your piece of plastic. Just want to let you know too, if you're storing gas for any length of time at home, always store the high test. It doesn't have the ethanol in it, which breaks down a little bit quicker. Just wanted to give you a heads up about that. I usually just cut out a rough piece so I can see the circle, and I always cut the inside of the circle. You cut the outside, it's too big. Now the last one I did, it lasts 3 years, and I had done that, and what I ended up doing was I wanted to see how strong it was, but it ended up being so brittle I just snapped it in two. But I just took a minute and made myself another one and good to go. So you cut your piece out, your piece of plastic, make sure it fits in there, and that's all around the edge, all the way around. Put that in, pop your piece back on, and you're good to go. And there it is. I made a bunch up, kick them, I just have them around in the shop if I ever lose one again, which you always do. And you can see I put one in for there. So that's it, folks. I wanted to give you a quick rundown on that. Saves, sitting around with an old plastic bag kicking around. Coming up too is doing a little bit of water wheel work, a little off-grid stuff, and show you that. Also, I may show you how to file a chainsaw using your whole body. A lot of people don't know this trick, but it does a really great job doing that. So anyway, that's it for now. Hope you have yourself a great day, and we'll see you in the near future. That's it. Bye.